Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to create graph in Microsoft Word. So let's start today's video. So guys, I'm just click Word 2016 and click blank file and enable graph. Click insert and click chart and click column and click OK. So I'm waiting and start column. So now I'm just change category name number 1, same number 2, 3, 4. Okay, so guys, you take number 1, 2, 3, 4 is ready. So now you can customize this chart or your column names, so if you want to. So guys, this video, I hope like this video and subscribe our channel. So keep on watching this channel, so please subscribe channel and press bell icon. Goodbye.